How to fix laptop keys not working.
For the first step, what you have to do is go to the start menu and restart your computer. Sometime restart makes your computer workable. Okay. Then after, second command is check the key of your laptop or any keyboard if there is stock downside. Okay. If the key is stuck on the downside, then there may also occur the problem, so you have to make it upward side. Okay. Now next thing what you have to do is go to right click and go to the device manager and then go to the keyboard section. Here is keyboards, and you can find on the standard PS2 keyboard or SID keyboard. Just right click and go to the properties, driver, just update the driver. Properties and update driver. Then after, right click on install driver and just go to action and scan for hardware changes. Then after, check whether your problem fixed or not. If problem not fixed, then go to the repair center and your keyboard may be damaged. Okay, hence you can fix the problem keyboard issue very easily in your laptop or your desktop computer also. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If all, say, comment, subscribe my channel.